Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Xbox game bar is available and enabled. Open Settings, go to Gaming, and toggle on Xbox game bar. This gives you the overlay and shortcuts. Once done, press Win+G to summon the overlay. You'll see Capture, Audio, and Performance widgets. Make sure your microphone and system audio are configured in that overlay so recordings include the correct sound. If you need higher frame rates, set power to best performance before recording. Now you'll fine-tune capture parameters so recordings match your goal. Open Settings Gaming Captures to choose video quality, frame rate, 30 or 60 FPS, and recording length. Higher settings give smoother video but larger files. Back in Game Bar, select audio sources, include system, microphone, or both. Use the record button or press Win+Alt+R to start. You'll see a small timer while recording. Make sure to test a short clip to verify sync and levels. To finish, stop recording with Win+Alt+R, and then open the Game Bar gallery or navigate to video's /captures to access the file. These are MP4s you can trim or edit. Once saved, right-click to view file properties or open in an editor. If something goes wrong, check free disk space, confirm Game Bar and background recording permissions, and ensure GPU drivers are up to date. If audio is missing, verify microphone permissions for apps and rerun a brief test recording to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.